This is my demo for PA5. As you can see, I still have the grid of 5x11 sprite objects. Now I've successfully implemented the collision boxes around both the individual sprites and the columns that the 5 sprites are each in. There's currently 11 columns on the screen. I haven't yet implemented the visitor pattern successfully. I've ran into some issues with integrating it with some of the factories and classes that I've written for my own project, so I've hit some errors in that regard, but I still need to draw the missile. I need to draw the shooter at the bottom, but once I do that, I think I have a pretty good idea of how I can implement the visitor pattern to detect collisions between various objects. This is what I'll do going forward. I haven't completely hit the goals for this PA that I had hoped, but I think I have a strong framework and a strong idea of what I need to do to make this work in the future. And obviously I'm going to continue developing the things that I'm learning right now going forward as well.